In a world full of leaders, only a few leave a mark on hearts. One man changed the course of history, not through wealth or power, but through character. That man was Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him. Today, let's explore the leadership qualities that made him the greatest leader of all time, and how you can apply these traits in your everyday life. The Prophet, SAWW, was known for his unshakable sense of justice. Whether rich or poor, friend or enemy, he judged fairly, never showing favoritism. Even when his beloved daughter was involved, he said, "If Fatima, the daughter of Muhammad, had stolen, I would have cut off her hand." In your own life, be just. Don't let bias cloud your judgment, whether in work, family, or friendships. True leaders stand for truth, even when it hurts. Faced with insults, exile, loss, and war, the Prophet remained patient. He never rushed to anger. He paused, reflected, responded with wisdom. In Taif, when children threw stones at him, he didn't curse them. He prayed for their guidance. Great leaders don't react, they respond. Control your emotions. Lead with calm, not chaos. Despite being the leader of an entire nation, Prophet Muhammad, SAWW, lived like the poor. He mended his own clothes, sat on the floor, and never saw himself above others. He said, "I am but a servant. I eat as a servant eats and sit as a servant sits." The best leaders serve. They don't seek status, they seek purpose. Never let success make you forget humility. He consulted his companions, listened to every opinion, and made decisions with thought, not ego. During the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, even when it seemed like a compromise, he saw the bigger picture, peace and long-term benefit. Think long-term, don't act out of pride, involve others. True leadership means seeing beyond today. Leadership isn't about titles or power, it's about serving others, staying patient, being just, and walking with humility. The Prophet Muhammad saw you, showed us the blueprint. Now it's up to us to follow it. So the next time you're faced with a decision, ask yourself, what would the Prophet SAWW do? Become a leader, not just of people, but of your own character. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic wisdom and motivational content. Let's walk together on the path of the Prophet, SAWW.